Good morning all of you. First of all, thank you for watching my videos on YouTube channel. Okay, today we are going to see some remaining basic concepts of the lesson periodic classification of elements. In previous lecture we studied what is meant by atom, what is the matter and its type, what is element, structure of atom, atomic mass number, electronic configuration. So today we are going to deal with what is meant by valency for metal, valency for non-metal, and metallic and non-metallic character. So student, for your revision, I revise all this chapter in short. What is meant by atom? It is the smallest particle of matter called the atom. What is matter? The substance which having the mass and volume and it occupy the space, or in another word, the anything around us which we can perceive by our sense organ is called matter. What is element? The pure substance or matter which is made up of similar kinds of atom is called element. Till the date 118 elements are exist on this earth, out of which 92 elements are naturally occurring and 26 are artificially discovered by our scientists in the laboratory. Let's turn toward the atomic mass number. Atomic mass number किसे कहते हैं? Atomic mass number is the sum of total number of proton and neutron present inside the nucleus is called the atomic mass number. In short, we can write down it like this: atomic mass number denoted by A. So it becomes P plus N. What is P? Proton, and what is N? It is neutron. Both are present inside the nucleus. So atomic mass number is nothing but the sum of total number of proton and neutron. Second one, atomic number. Atomic number is nothing but the total number of proton or total number of electron present in an atom. It's called its atomic number. Okay, it's very simple. In any atom, total number of proton or total number of electrons are same, and that's why the atomic number is nothing but the sum of total number of proton or the total number of electrons revolve around the nucleus is called its atomic number, and it is denoted by the capital letter Z. It is denoted by capital letter Z. You can write like this: total number of protons or total number of electrons. So atomic mass number A is equals to P plus N, and atomic number Z is equals to P oblique E. Oblique means here or. Okay, either you are taking proton or electron. Okay, now electronic configuration. It's very simple. Electronic configuration means the shell-wise distribution of electron in an atom is called its electronic configuration. The shell-wise distribution of an electron in an atom is called its electronic configuration. Okay, so electronic configuration किसे कहते हैं? किसी भी एटम में इलेक्ट्रॉन हर ऑर्बिट में कैसे अरेंज किए हैं उसको कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. इन एटम देयर आर 4 मेन ऑर्बिट्स. द ऑर्बिट्स आर लाइक दिस: K, L, M, N. These are the 4 main orbits. Beside that, the 4 suborbits are there like S, P, G, and F. Okay, we see only first K, L, M, N. So the capacity of the K, L, M, N can be derived by the formulas 2n square. This is octet formula. Write down n is equals to 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively for the orbits K, L, M, N. The closest orbit to the nucleus is K, second L, third N, and second L, थर्ड M एंड लास्ट वन N। ओके, देखो बहुत सिंपल है ये, हमारे प्रीवियस लेक्चर में टॉपिक्स हो गए करके मैं फास्टली आपको बता रहा हूँ। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है? शेल वाइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन एन एटम into the specific orbit is nothing but the electronic configuration। चार ऑर्बिट्स होते हैं K, L, M और N। इन चार ऑर्बिट की जो क्षमता है जिसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिवॉल्व हो सकते हैं वो ऑर्बिट्स है, उन क्षमता उन कैपेसिटीज है, वो कैपेसिटीज है सॉरी 2, 8, 18, 32। और हमने ये कैसे निकाले? बाय द ऑक्टेट फॉर्मूलाज 2n स्क्वायर। ओके, अब हम हमारे ओरिजिनल टॉपिक पे आते हैं जो हमें आज सीखना है, वैलेंसी, मेटालिक एंड नॉन मेटालिक कैरेक्टर। सो स्टूडेंट्स, you are already studied the definition of valency in 8th or 9th standard। okay, so what is mean by valency? The simple definition for valency is the combining capacity of an atom of element is called valency। The combining capacity of an atom of element is called valency। किसे कहते हैं? Tell me। The combining capacity of an atom of element is called valency। Take a look our example in compound H2O। In compound H2O, you can draw the valency like this। Just write down separately how many atoms of hydrogens are there? 2, so write down 2 and there only 1। okay, now so 2 hydrogen atoms combine with the 1 oxygen atom। so how many hydrogen atom required to combine with oxygen? So oxygen required 2 hydrogen atoms, that's why the valency for oxygen is 2 while the hydrogen is 1। so you can draw like this or you can just have the valency in 8th standard, but in 10th standard we have the various definition for valency of metal and valency of non-metal। okay, तो देखो valency for metal, valency for metal। so first of all you have to know what is the definition for metal। it's very simple। the atoms of the element which donates its outermost orbit electron and forming the positive charge that is cation is called metal। अब metal किसे कहते हैं? the atoms of the element which donate its outermost orbit electron and forming the positive charge that is cation, it is called metal। metal किसे कहते हैं? जो elements के atom खुद के लास्ट ऑर्बिट से इलेक्ट्रॉन दूसरों को देकर खुद पॉजिटिवली चार्ज आयन यानी कैटायन फॉर्म करते हैं, उसको हम कहते हैं मेटल। क्या कहते हैं हम? मेटल। इट मींस दैट मेटल हैविंग ऑलवेज टेंडेंसी टू डोनेट इलेक्ट्रॉन, टू डोनेट इलेक्ट्रॉन। सो मेटल ऑलवेज हैविंग टेंडेंसी टू डोनेट इलेक्ट्रॉन, टू डोनेट इलेक्ट्रॉन। सो व्हाट इज द वैलेंसी फॉर मेटल? It's very simple। what is the valency for metal? the number of electrons donated by metal, the number of electrons donated by metal from its last orbit, the number of electrons donated by metal from its last orbit is the valency for metal, is the valency for metal। it's very simple। the number of electrons donated by the metal from its last orbit is the valency for metal। so students, how will you identify whether the element is metal or non-metal? it's very simple। आप कैसे पहचानोगे कि कोई एलिमेंट मेटल है कि नॉन मेटल है? so generally the metal possesses 1 or 2 or 3 electrons in its last orbit। I am telling you generally, not compulsory। generally metal having 1 or 2 or 3 electrons in its last orbit, so that's why metal generally donate 1 or 2 or 3 electrons। So valency for metal is very simple definition. The number of electrons donated or lost by the metal from its last orbit is the valency for metal. Take a look. Have example. Okay. Suppose sodium having atomic number 11, their electronic configuration 281. The sodium having atomic number